Hi everyone, Vasant here from littleslaw YouTube channel. So the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna drop back-to-back Git and GitHub shorts, one for every few hours. Why? Because Git is the skill that separates junior developers from professionals, and I have trained hundreds of developers, and the biggest mistake I see is people learning Git randomly from these scattered YouTube videos. So this series is different, so it's structured, progressive, and designed to take you from basics to mastery. If you're serious about your development career, you cannot afford to miss this. So hit follow, turn on notifications, and let's transform your Git skills together. Let's go. Session where I'm going to cover the fundamentals. But again, there is so much to learn. Today, I'm going to build a foundation for you. So you can think of it as a kind of an entry point into the world of version control. But by the end of this session, you will understand the basics. You will see why you have to master Git, which is very crucial for your development, for your career. And for those who want to go deeper into learning GitHub, I'll be sharing the details about our comprehensive 4-hour workshop, where I'm going to tackle the advanced concepts and the real world scenarios. And moving on to the second slide. So just a quick question before we dive in. So I want to understand where everyone is starting from. So there are no wrong answers here. So whether you are a complete beginner or you have some exposure in GitHub. So this will help me to tailor my discussion. So just a quick question to start with. So have you ever used Git before?
No.
No. Okay. Any other answers?
Yes, I have used it, but basic level, like not for the much. Just to like keep track of our performance scripts or something like that in the Bitbucket or something. So for that reason, I've used it.
Mhm. Any other answers, please? I'm not going to judge you. Anyways, everyone is in the same place. Everyone is learning, so nothing wrong here. And do you know what GitHub is? So GitHub. So do you know what GitHub is? Have you ever have an account with GitHub?
I mean, yeah, GitHub is the repository where we will store our code base from local to the remote.
Yep. Thank you. Thanks, Anil. So have you ever worked in a team coding